Hello friends, this is Harish Bali from Technofare.com. If managing your task is among your top challenge, then you should definitely watch this video. Today I am going to introduce you to Todoist, that is primarily a task manager app. It is available on Android and iOS. You can use it on desktop through web browser. There is an app for Windows 8 and 10. Similarly, there is an app for Mac. While working on the app, your work will primarily involve around creating tasks and putting them under the right project. Interface of the app is more or less same across devices. Let's create a task. Complete video edit by 1 p.m. tomorrow and publish it immediately is the task. "1 p.m. tomorrow" automatically got selected as I was typing. Let's add this to the task. Let me now jump to the web version to create couple of more tasks. This is the layout of web version. Create a task. Celebrate birthday of a team member on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Since this task is with regard to my work, I'll move this from inbox to work folder and add task. Here it has moved to the work project. There are a couple of ways to add task. I can also use the shortcut Q. Team meeting every Tuesday at 4 p.m. This is a high priority task for me. I can choose the priority to 1. Add. The circle sign icon before the task turns red for important events. This icon shows that the task is repetitive. Premium users can use reminders for important events. Simply click on the task, reminders, couple of ways to set reminders, date and time, 3:30 p.m. on Tuesday through push notification. Add this, save. With this, I have got 2 tasks in my work project, 1 in inbox and 3 in my next 7-day plan. 1 for tomorrow and 2 for Tuesday. These projects are like folders similar to what we have in our email system. We might not put everything under inbox. You can edit the name of the project by doing a click on these 3 dots, edit project, or simply create a new project. I need to buy cake for upcoming birthday. That takes me to explain the concept of label, which is a premium feature. Add label by the name buy, back to projects, work, and here's the task for celebrate birthday. Add label and choose buy and save it. Now if I go back to label, I can see that one task under buy label. In the first go, this may sound a little confusing, but buy labels have a utility. They let you add context to your task. For example, you can add call for all call related tasks. Back to project, I can see shopping project there, through which I can create sub projects for home and office. Click on these 3 dots, add project below, home, choose a color, and this icon shows whether you want this to be below it or at the same level. Add another project. This one is at the same level. Save it. So I've got 2 sub projects under shopping, home and office. Let me create a grocery list for home and office stationery by adding a couple of tasks. I'll be back in a while. This is a sample home shopping list and an office shopping list. Now I need to add buy label to each of these items. One way is I click on a particular task and move the label to buy and then save it. Another short way is to select all of them by doing a click. If I am using Windows, I can hold on to the control key, and Mac users can hold on to the command key and select these items. Go to more and add label buy. So buy label gets added to all the items. Similar action can be done on office shopping products as well. If I go to label and look at buy, all these items are flowing in from various projects into the buy label. Small little things for recall. I can go back to the projects, and under Office I need to buy Bluetooth speaker. I can add image here. Click on this comments icon, add. Here's the image of the Bluetooth speaker I need to buy, add. When I'm actually at the shop buying this stuff, I can always give a reference to the image and make my appropriate decision. App does a good job to sync between devices with the same login. Labels, buy, rice, bought. Simply tap on it and this is completed task. Soda packs, bought, task completed. To show filters utility, let me go back to the web version. Filters have various priority levels. I have one task under priority 1. If you don't assign any priority, it automatically picks up priority 4 by default. Add filter and create your own shortcut. Choose a color to make it stand out. Enter a query. If under this important filter, I want all my priority 1 tasks to appear for the next 7 days, I will choose something like next 7 days and P1. Save this. Go to important and this will have my priority 1 task for the next 7 days. As of now, there is only 1 task. Editing filters or editing them is a premium feature of Todoist. There is a range of query with parameters in support section of Todoist. You can have a look at these parameters. I have given a link of this in the description below. It is a useful app for sharing projects and assigning tasks. Do a right click on the project and share it. Add the email address of the person with whom you wish to share the project. Once a project is shared, this icon will turn into a share icon. Members in a group can chat to each other, share attachments, add media from the device or from Google Drive or Dropbox. There is no limit on the number of files that you can attach, but there is a limit on the maximum file size, which is 100 MB. Pro users can add media while free users can still use the chat feature. I am in a shared project. I can choose the task and assign it to a particular person. And to see the assigned task, go to filter and assign to others. Here's the task assigned to a colleague. Let me now share a few examples of perfect mobility. You can add emails to your task from Microsoft Outlook with the help of add-on. So you always remember to follow up. When you are not on Outlook, you can still carry your task along with the help of app on your mobile or plugin on web browser. To access, click on this gear icon and under apps, click on more. This has got all the apps that can work with Todoist. Same applies to Gmail. Download this app. Let me show you how this appears on Gmail. Here's the Todoist icon with all my tasks. If you face any difficulty to log in to Todoist on Gmail, I have given the troubleshooting steps for this in the description below. This troubleshooting is with regard to allowing Todoist to manage cookies. Let's go back to Todoist. To save a copy of a project, choose it, task actions and export it as a template. And when you want to import it back, simply import it from the template from wherever you have saved it. Todoist has a version for business, Todoist Business. I find Todoist blog a good source of content on team productivity, new features launch, employee motivation and many other useful topics. Recently, Todoist has also integrated with Slac. That's it for now. I used free version of this app for a few days and after seeing the utility, I switched to premium version. What's your take on this app? Do share your comments in the description below. I would look forward to hear from you. If you found this tutorial good, do give it a thumbs up. You may also watch other interesting videos by clicking on the links that you see in front of your screen. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.